अपॉइंटमेंट के बाद होते भेजने के
प्रियंका मैम, आर यू देयर?
तो मैं वहाँ जाना, तो बोला नहीं फिर भी वहाँ जाओ।
प्रियंका मैम, Dr. Priyanka Chawla ma'am, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening to all participants. So, ma'am, please start the session.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
So first of all, I would like to thank Dr. Saurabh Jain sir, Dr. Ajay Jain sir, and entire team of RFI for showing their trust in me. And before, I would like to now share the screen before wasting so much of time. So I believe that a screen is in on shareable mode. So, in the previous class, we had studied regarding what is bibliography. Can anyone tell what is bibliography in short? What the theoretical part we had understood yesterday. Hello.
Yes, Priyanka ma'am.
Sir, I'm calling all the participants so that they can answer the whatever they had studied in the previous lecture. Yesterday we had talked about the theoretical aspect of bibliometric analysis. So can anybody explain in one line or one sentence what is bibliometric analysis? The gist of that part, bibliometric analysis, because whatever we have studied yesterday in the theoretical aspect, now we are going to implement it with the help of demo. So before we go for the demo session, I want you to clear to understand what is bibliometric analysis. Yes, Shilpa ma'am.
Basically, ma'am, in bibliometric analysis, we just try to find out the strength with reference to the keyword, with reference to the author and the country which have worked maximum in collaboration related to one particular research domain.
Yes. If I talk about, and if I ask some simple question, who is the main contributor of your area of research? What is your research area? In your research area, who are the main contributors, main authors in your research? Who are the three best, which are the three best universities in India? Can you name any three journals related to your subject area? Are you able to answer these questions? Suppose you are doing research in the field of financial market, or you are doing research in related to consumer satisfaction or service quality. Do you know who all authors have contributed? Any answer from your side? May I know your area of research? Anybody? So, if you are not having any awareness regarding who are the main contributors of your research or who have contributed a lot, so this information is gathered with the help of bibliometric analysis. Now, who are the main contributor of the authors? Who are the main contributors? It can be done with the help of some metrics. Metrics includes number of publication. If number of publications are large, that means they have done work in the research field. If number of citations are more, that means this paper is cited and this particular paper is followed many times by the scholars. So that means this particular things where we come to know who are the main authors, which citation score is high. If I talk about number of publications, how does networking build up, this all covers bibliometric analysis. Okay. So to go for bibliometric analysis, there are some tools and techniques. So I will be using the free version of tools and techniques. What you have to do, suppose your area of research is on microfinance. Okay, I'm giving just an example. Suppose your area of research is on microfinance. So now I need to check how many contributors are there, who all authors or experts were there who contributed in the field of microfinance, starting from 1990s or 90 before that. Okay, so I will be collecting all the information related to my topic. Who has contributed a lot? Which paper has cited more? What is the root paper? Who is the main author? Which scholars or other authors are following? So I am getting the knowledge of my research related. So for that, I need to have some information in which journal they have published, what is their citation score, when did they publish. So all this data I will be receiving in Excel format or CSV format. So how to extract data? To extract the data, we have to use either we can go for dimension. This is the name of the tool. Or to extract the data, we can go for Vosviewer. Biblioshiny is another tool which we can go for it. Either you can use Biblioshiny or Vosviewer, but Biblioshiny is paid one. Vosviewer is really available. And the demo which I will be giving you, it will be on dimension, because you do not need Scopus database. Okay, that's why I will be using the free version. But I will give you demo. I will share the PPT, which is the replica of whatever we will study in dimension. I will tell you how to go for Scopus. Okay. So I will be sharing my screen, and are you aware of dimension? Dimension.ai. This is another tool, dimension.ai. So here I will be searching dimension AI. Okay, so this, I hope my screen is on shareable mode. I believe that my screen is on shareable mode.
Yes, Professor.
Okay, thank you. So I will be clicking on this dimension. So what you have to do, you have to first log in with your account. This is very important step. First, you have to log in with your Gmail ID. So I have already created my Gmail ID. So I have already logged in. Go to next. And if you are new to this dimension, then go for register for free. Okay, it is freely available. Now you have to put your email ID as well as password. Click on next. And when you go for this, then this type of interface will be there. This type of interface will open. So here, this is the dimension tool. So this product is free of cost, and first we have to register it if you are new to it, and if you logged in, then once you logged in, then this type of interface will be displayed. So now there are n number of options over here. Filter, and then here is the option of search. You can see search here. So in which area of research, what is the area of research, which topic you are going to search, you have to just write it over here. Suppose my topic is on microfinance. Okay, so I will be searching over here. So all those contributors who contributed in the area of microfinance, you can get the list of all these contributors. Okay. Now, suppose, may I know which topic you want to search? Any other topic? Or I will go with microfinance.
Ma'am, artificial intelligence in the field of consumer behavior.
And consumer behavior. Okay. So all these topics which are related to artificial intelligence with respect to consumer interface or consumer behavior, it will be displayed. You can find the list over here. Okay. Now, so here there's a search bar where you can search the topic. Now you go for publication here. Now you have to filter it, and you also get the option of limit to. See, here is the option of limit to. Limit to means up to 2016 you are including. Limit to means what, up till which year you are going to include. You are going to include up to 21. If I click on 21, that means all you will get the information related to past 6 years. Limit to 2021, that means till 2021 you can include your database. 2022, 2021, 2023. Can you get this? Are you getting this?
Yes, ma'am.
So that means up to 2021, I will be taking the data limited to. Okay. So limit to. Okay. So click on limit to. See here. Now, somebody has joined from 2 devices. That's why my voice is echoing. So whatever filter you are using in the search bar, it will be displayed here. See, first of all, we had identified artificial intelligence and consumer behavior. Can you see this? This was appeared in the search bar. And publication year, if I talk about publication year, we have limited to 2021. That means we get the data till 2021. Then there is the filter option, there is another option which is called researcher. Under researcher, we have n number of contributors. These are the contributors who contributed in the area of artificial intelligence. And if you click on more, you can search it. So these are the major contributors. Okay. So if you go for researcher, I will recommend not to pick up anyone. It is just for your awareness. If you click on this, that means you will get all the data related to Northwest University. If you click on Yogesh Kumar Dwivedi, that means you will get all the information related to artificial intelligence of Yogesh Kumar Dwivedi's research. Okay. So it should be open for all. So I'm not clicking on anyone. Then we move forward. The next category is research category. Click on research category. There are field of research, and another one is sustainable development. So this should be open for all. Do not limit to anything. Publication type. Publication type is important. There are various options of publication type: article, chapter, edited books, preprint, proceeding, monographs. So again, here we are mainly interested for the article. So we will be selecting article over here and go for limit to. So since we have selected articles, so in the search bar, you can see all the filters which we had applied. That means related to our topic. Next one is year, and third one is publication type. I hope you're getting what I'm saying. Okay, thank you. Yes, I think it is on YouTube, so I don't think there is a problem. Next is source title. When I talk about source title, it gives you this type of result. Title. So again, it is not necessary to include any source title. These are the titles. Okay. So avoid these titles. Let it open for every title. Then we have journal list. Journal list, either you can go, there are n number of lists you can see over here. PubMed, all the information related to PubMed, all the information. If you click here, UGC journal list, then if I click on any of this journal list, that means we will get the papers related to that journals. So I don't think, again, I don't think it should be limited. If you want, you can go for UGC journal list. Otherwise, it should be open. Okay, do not limit it for anyone. Open access. If I talk about open access means, there are some options: gold, closed, hybrid. That means it is open for all. So again, if you don't want, because we do not want, we extract the only data, and when we extract data, it is not necessary we require a full paper, because we only want to know who are the major contributors of the research area which we are interested in. So generally, we do not want full paper for bibliometric analysis. We only want abstract. Okay, so it gathered the information of all these authors related to year, related to journal, related to those who are following them, the seed paper. Seed paper means the main paper. Okay, so it should not be limited to any extent. Now, after going for the filter, the next thing is what you have to do. Once you included all your filters, once you applied all the filters, then can you see the option of save and export? Here is the option of save and export. So click on save and export. Go to export result. Now, when we go for export result, there are three options: export full record in CSV format, export for bibliometric mapping, export for reference manager. So this, what we use this export full record. Okay. So it will be extracted in CSV format. When you use bibliometric analysis, then go for export to bibliometric mapping. So tomorrow, this is just a base. This is just a handshake with bibliometric. This is just a handshake with Dimension AI. So what how to extract data. This particular topic on bibliometric analysis, this particular session is on how to extract data and get you ready, get you prepared for applying Biblio, Shiny, or Vosviewer tool. So how to apply Vosviewer, how to know how many authors are there and which one is connected to which author, and which is the research you have done, how many researches, the topics, what is the new trend. Uh, so all this information you will be getting with the help of Vosviewer or BiblioShiny. But to get the information, it is necessary to extract data. So here in this video, in this session, I will be telling you how to extract data and get you prepared for Vosviewer and BiblioShiny. So what you have to do by default, it is on export full record and go to export. Okay. Now, in the meanwhile, go to profile. Can you see the profile over here? Because whatever data you have extracted, it will be available in the profile. So just click on profile and you go to export center. Here you have the option of export center and then check download. This one we have done. We have searched the topic artificial intelligence and computer, right? So the dimension has helped us in extracting the data file in the CSV format. You can see from here, and there is option of download. Just download this file. Now I will be telling you which file is this. So this is in the CSV format. See, whatever data we have taken related to artificial intelligence and consumer behavior, it have information. It has information related to publication year. It has information related to title. This is the title. Can you see this title? This is the title. This one. So all those topics which are related to artificial intelligence, you can see over here. This is the abstract of all the articles. And in bibliometric analysis, we require only abstract. No full paper is required. Then we have acknowledgement. Okay. We have funding. That means whether it is open access or funding is there or not. Then we have source title. That means in which journal it has published. Then we have edited books or whatever information. This is the publication year, 2021. Can you see this? Okay. Next is publication. What is this? Okay, date. It is publication date. Then we have volume number, issue number, whether it is open access or gold or closed. We have selected for articles, so only it has extracted the data which are related to articles. These are the authors and cite number of times the paper is cited. It is this paper is cited for 17 times, this paper is cited 171 times, this paper is cited only 2 times. So all this data we have received with the help of dimension through CSV file, source, URL. Okay, so this is the CSV format. Now we have to import the CSV format into Vosviewer to get more information and to get the analysis. So today we will learn till export. Now tomorrow you will get to know how this CSV file or Excel file will be imported and how to proceed for further analysis. Now, I have used only the free version of tool, that is Dimension, to extract the data. Now I will be telling you how Scopus, there are some Scopus database. So how Scopus do generally. So whatever we have done in the demo format, in this demo session, I will be telling you, explaining you all with the help of PPT. The same thing you can do in Scopus. But the only thing is you must require the institutional ID. You must have the login with Scopus. And for that, institutional tie-up is required, institutional ID is required, then only you will be able. And this is possible for IITs and IIMs. But I have the screenshots of how to go for Scopus. So how the data is collected through Scopus by applying the Scopus database. So I will be telling you what you have to do. First, you have to log in with a Scopus account. So what you have to do, first you have to log in from here. But when you logged in, you can see here author search. You can see here sources. So instead of 2 options when you logged in with your institutional account, then you will get 4 options over here. Which are the 4 options? These are the 4 options. Documents, authors, affiliation, and advance. Okay. When you properly logged in with your ID, the institutional ID, then there will be 4 options. The 4 options will be displayed. That is document, author, affiliation, and advance. So instead of these 2, this is, as I have not logged in with my institutional ID, so there are 2 options available. So this is of no use. These are of no use. So what you have to do, you first have to log in with your institutional ID. To search any topic, to search on any topic or to search any data, first you have to click on document. The first step is click on document and then go for search. Then here you have to write the topic. You have to write the topic over here. Here, you have to write a topic over here and then go for search. Can you see the option of search? Okay. Now, what you have to do, in the dimension, we have learned how to go for filter, and whatever we selected, it was appeared in the search bar. Similarly, in Scopus, what you have to do, you have to filter, you have to choose what you have to include. So that this so the here you find the option of search. First you search in the search bar the topic and then go for next. In the left hand side you have other option available which is called access type. There are 2 options available, open access and other. So I told you not to pick up any of the above, let it open so that we can get information regarding open access and whatever information the database is having. Then after searching in the search bar, next is subject area. Can you see subject area? It is asking for subject area. N number of subject areas there, whether it is related to, whether your topic is related to social science, whether your topic is related to business management and accounting, whether your topic is related to engineering, arts and humanities, computer science, psychology, nursing, decision making, and View all. When you click on view all, this is the view all option. When you click on view all option, then it will give more options. So if your topic is related to social science and it also comes under business management and accounting, simply click on it. And when you click on this, it will appear in orange color. It will be highlighted in orange color, and then go for limit to. Limit to means these two options you are including. Are you getting my point? Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we are getting it.
Thank you so much. Then go to limit to. Then the next option which is available is see whatever options we have included, whatever filters we done in the search bar. See, it is appear over here. Title was on work culture. Limit to social science. Limit to business and management. It is related to arts also. It is related to economics also. Psychology. See, so whatever filter we have included, it appears in the search bar. Okay. Then going to the next slide. Then the next is documentary type. So I told you you have to select only you have to go for only article, because we need to gather all the articles. So we will be clicking on this article which is highlighted in orange color. The next is publication stage. Publication stage, when I talk about just a minute. When we go for article, we can go for view more. Let us see. If you want, you can go for source article. It should be filtered by keywords, some keywords. If you want, you can put some keywords over here. If you want, you can put keywords over here. It is related. If it is related to your topic, then put keywords over here and then go for limit to option. So we have applied this limit to, so it will be appear in the search bar. See. Can you see this? Now, when you applied this, coming back to this, I had stopped over here. Document type, you have to select article. Publication stage, you have to ignore this, whether it is final or article in press or whatever. Article in press means it has not been published, it is in process. Okay. Then go for source title. Under source title, you do not have to select anything. Then it will ask for some keywords. If it is related to your keyword, then you have to choose the keyword and go for limit to option. And whatever options you are including, I am telling you again and again that it will be appeared in the search bar. Then here is the option of export. Can you see this? This option export. Whatever we have done, it is appeared over here. And then you can see the option of export. Can you see CSV export option? This one. Once after applying all the filters, this in the search bar, you can see all your filters, and then in the front page, you can see the CSV export file. So what you have to do, you have to download this by clicking on this. So once you download, once you click on this download option, then another page will open, which is called what information do you want to export. So we want to export all the information. So that's why if you want to export all the information, simply click on citation information, bibliographical information, abstract and keyword. If you want the information related to funding details, then click on here. If you want the information related to other information, then click here. Otherwise, it will not required. These things are not required. Now you have to export it into CSV format. If you are using bibliometric analysis, then go for bibliotext. Otherwise, if you are using Vosviewer, then go for bibliotext or Biblioshiny. If you are not using, then go for CSV file. Even Vosviewer can also read the CSV file. So here it is, you can see here the orange highlighted with the orange color is on CSV format. So here we want to extract the data into CSV file. Now it appears in this format. I explained you with the help of dimension what all things you get in the Excel file. See, so all these author's name, title, year, source title, volume, issue number, page number, DOI, all these things you get in the CSV format of all the authors related to your study of the past few years, which you have selected. Okay. Now go for analyze search result. Now, once you extract the data, as I have extracted data, then you are ready for applying bibliometric analysis with the help of Vosviewer and Biblioshiny. Okay. So in Biblioshiny, when you apply this Vosviewer, for or Biblioshiny tool, then you will get to know whose paper is cited most, what is the graph, which paper is most cited, what is the trend, which country is cited, which country is working for which journal, which country is working for which topic. So you will get to know all the information, and when you get this information, uh, it will be in the diagrammatic format. There are different type of diagrams available with 3D and 2D model. So all these things have to put it into paper, and this is the analysis of paper. You are not doing research of any topic. You are doing research of, you are doing the analysis of the topic and who are the main contributors related to your topic. So you are doing research on the topic. How many researchers have contributed in this particular area. Okay. So one thing that I would like to explain, when you go for the search bar, how do you come to know that this is search bar? When you go for Scopus, there is an option of search. So there are some tricks and tips to go for search. So for that purpose, you have to apply some Boolean matrix. Okay. When you go for search option, there are some things that you have to remember. Suppose you are searching for higher education. If you higher education, hello, are you all there? I hope it is, you're getting, okay, thank you. I ask in between because you seems to be quiet, so I thought to ask you. Huh. So you have to apply some Boolean matrix. So what does this mean? Suppose you are searching for higher education. If you write down higher education in the search option, if you directly apply higher education in this search option, this one, if you are searching something here, or even in dimension, where is my dimension? This one. If you are searching over here, Yeah, at this place. If you are searching anything at this place and you directly write, if you directly mention higher education, then let us try higher education. Then the result may not be up to the mark. You might get some problem in the result. If I write higher education, then which type of result you can get? You will get, you will not get result related to higher education. You either get result related to higher or education. These two words can be splitted. Okay, these two words can be splitted. Is the education of the parents differently associated? So that means if you apply higher education word, that means you will not get better result. You will either, it will dimension or any Scopus data will take either word higher or either word education. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to, if you want the result related to higher education, then you have to apply this apostrophe. What you have to do, you have to apply this apostrophe. Under apostrophe, you have to mention both the words. And when you mention both the words, then both the words will be displayed. So instead of this, what I will be doing, apostrophe higher education. Okay, it will be closed. Then it will give you result related to higher education only. See, these two words comes together in every article. See, evaluating the dynamics of free higher education, the impact of total quality management practices in Al Algerian higher education institution, evaluating the efficiency, productivity change, and technology gaps of China's provincial higher education system. See, so these two words are displayed at one time. Now, even you can use this curly bracket. If you use this curly bracket, under curly bracket, if you use these words, so again you will get the exact research, exact search. Again, you will get the proper result related to your topic. So instead of apostrophe, we can use curly bracket also. Okay. So instead of this, we can use curly bracket also. And then go for search. Again, you will get the same result, but this is in both ways you get the same result. Okay, this is another way of finding. Now, if you want to add one more, if you want to add one more variable, higher education and AI, so what you have to do, you have to use and word also. Like in our case, we have used artificial intelligence and consumer behavior. So if you want artificial intelligence together, then use curly bracket or apostrophe artificial intelligence and in curly bracket and consumer behavior. So then also you will get the exact result. Now you can use either and or and not. If you use and, that means you are including another variable. If you are using or instead of and, if you are using or, that means either you go for higher education or AI. And if you are not using, if you are specific that you do not want to use any particular variable, then you can go for under curly bracket, you can use higher education and not AI. So all those the research which are related to AI for education, that will not be displayed. Okay, so these are some of the Boolean operators that you have to use at the time of searching the topic. And some of the other Boolean operators are like We can also use this star and educate. Up now, either you can go for education, either you can go for educationist, either you can go for education, educational, educationist, either you can go for edu. So all these shortcuts, if there are any other word related to education, then if we use this shortcut by applying star, then all type of education related word will be displayed. Okay, so these are some of the Boolean operators that you can use. So I have explained you how Boolean operators can be used and how you can extract data, from the free version of tool. Now, if you have any query related to this, you may please ask. Up till now, you have any query? Any query up till now?
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you told that if we want to limit the year, means to 2021, then we can
That means if you are selecting that particular thing, that means you are limited to. That means if you are, suppose there are 2021, 22, 22, 2023, 2024. Now, if you are applying all the 4 years, then you have to click on all the 4 years and go for limit to. If you want to see the data of only 1 year, that is 2021, then you have to click on only 2021 and go for limit to. So if you apply only one, if you want to see the data of only 1 year, 2021, then go for 2021 and apply limit to. If you want to see the data of 4 years, then you have to click on 4 years, all 4 years, which you want to select, and then apply limit to.
Okay, means many times, ma'am, I have seen the paper titles like Bibliometric Analysis from the period 1970 to 1997.
Yes, but it is better if you take the past year data on the recent basis, that is up to 10 or 15 years, maximum 15 years. 10 years is enough. 10 years are enough.
Means supposing, ma'am, I am going to write a bibliometric analysis on my subject area, then should I go for taking all the bibliometric analysis done so far?
So you have to limit, na? You have to limit which topic you are using.
No, ma'am. Means I am asking that if I am if I need to, means should I consider all the bibliometric analysis done so far?
It is better if you take recent year publication year.
Means actually I am asking, like, I am going, if I intend to do a bibliometric analysis of all the other bibliometric analysis done so far, so what should be the process?
Bibliometric analysis for
The bibliometric analysis done so far in my area. Means supposing my
I am
area
asking
is
now, what is your area?
my area is green marketing.
So the same process you need to apply. What you have to do, you have to search in the search bar the green marketing and apply the Boolean operators.
Okay.
Right? Boolean operator means
We
green
can
operator.
apply
Green
in
marketing
inverted
now.
commas.
Yes, and green operator, green marketing in context with whatever variable you are taking.
Okay.
Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to go for the filter area. Which journal you are going to take, what will be the publication year. So when you go for publication year now, you take, it is better if you take last 15 years publication.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Any other question related to this? Because when you are when you understand how to extract data, then only after extracting the data in the CSV format or Excel format or any other format, then we go for analysis part. So tomorrow we will understand how to go for analysis. So finally,
Ma'am, then actually Vosviewer or Bibliosigny, it helps us to extract data in CSV format or Excel format. Right?
yes,
And it also helps us to analyze the things.
yes, main
Okay.
Biblioshiny and Vosviewer.
Vosviewer.
So tomorrow there will be another analysis part, and day after tomorrow there will be the discussion on how to report in paper. So day after tomorrow part will be the important one. Okay. So any other question related to this? Any other question? Neeraj, do you want to speak anything? Do you want to ask anything?
No, ma'am, no, sorry.
Nikki ji, Rajni ji, do you have any question? Mahima ji, any question? Anjali ji, Ashwini ji, do you want to ask anything? Still, if it comes in your mind, any question, any query, if you have, then you may contact to the organizer. When organizer will share the questions arise by you, then I will definitely give you answer. If right now you are not having any query. So this is for today. So thank you to all the participants.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
So we will meet tomorrow at the same time. So shall I leave the meeting and end the call?